This is going to be my first skincare unboxing video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tracy and I reveal top beauty secrets that will help solve your beauty needs and boost your self-confidence. Because over here, we don't pamper flaws, we eliminate it. And I'm here to help you with that elimination process. So consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, click on the bell so you can be the first to get notified each time I upload a new video. Now I've used up my skincare products and I decided to restock my skincare shelf with new ones. I placed an order from the Thedermaco website and guess what? My product has been delivered. And I'm so happy because not only did I get the products that I ordered for, but the Thedermaco also gifted me free products as well. So I'm going to be unboxing both the ones that I ordered for and the free products that I got from the Thedermaco. And hopefully in another video I'm going to try them out, share my reviews, just so you get to know like my thoughts on the products and all of that. By the way, this video is not sponsored by the Thedermaco. I'm just genuinely wanting to carry you all along so you get to know what is inside my skincare box. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see this. I love the packaging. It's very simple, you know, it's very simple. I love the color of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and like unbox this just so we get to see what is inside of this box right now. So I'll start with this box here. I can't wait to see what's inside. And yeah, I'll be using this to tear it open. Where do I start from? Okay, so I have it open now. Okay, I ordered for just one product and the Thedermaco gifted me 2 products in return. Okay, so I'm just going to unwrap this right now so you see the free products and the actual products that I ordered from the Thedermaco. I think we don't need this, right? So I ordered for the 3% collagen plus peptides face serum. Yeah, this is what I ordered for. I'm going to display it on the screen just so you get to see what I ordered for. Yeah, and yeah, it comes in this beautiful tiny box. The products are both dermatologically tested. It is SLS free, paraben free, and silicone free. And this is a new product for me because I've not tried this product actually. I've not tried it. I wanted to try something new and so I decided to order this product. So I'm going to incorporate it into my skincare, after which I intend to make a review on this product. So I'm going to tell you whether or not I love this product. And then I got also this free product. This is a 3% vitamin E face moisturizer That's one of the free products that I got from the Thedermaco. And another free product that I got from the Thedermaco is the 1% salicylic acid face wash. So it's a gel actually. This is going to be my first time trying a salicylic acid face cleanser from the Thedermaco. And this is also going to be my first time trying out their 3% vitamin E face moisturizer. I'm going to anyways try out this product and then I'll make a review, okay, on it. I'll share with you what I love about the product, whether or not I love it, so just stay tuned, okay? So just move on to the next. So here I have two products, okay, and there are no free products in this box. Just I got exactly what I ordered for. So yeah, I had ordered this collagen tablet. It's just a supplement, collagen supplement. This collagen supplement that I got from the Thedermaco, I wanted to try it out. Here it says you're supposed to drop a tablet inside a glass of water, and you're also supposed to wait until it dissolves completely. You stir and then yeah, you just drink. Yeah, so yeah, I wanted to try this out and like yeah, see. This is supposed to improve your skin health, so I'm going to try this out and let you know if it works, whether or not it works. This is also my first time. This is going to be my first time trying out this collagen supplement tablets. What do you call it? Yeah, and yeah, in here it has 20 effervescent tablets in it. So it's going to last me like 20 days. And yeah, this is going to be my first time trying this product. So yeah, it is sugar free and it has strawberry flavor. I'm going to make a video on this and like let you know if it actually works. Okay, so yeah, so this is going to be it for now about this product. I've not tried it, so I can't say much about it, but this is the much I can give. Yeah, so the next is the 20% vitamin C face serum from the Thedermaco. I have used this product and oh my goodness, I love this product. I love it. The 20% vitamin C face serum. I've made a video on my morning skincare routine video. By the way, if you've not watched that video, you can click on the link right here. I made a video, the morning skincare video, and I used this. Trust me, I'm good. Anyways, let me save the gist for another video. I intend to make a video where I get to share my thoughts on this product. So we have unboxed 2 boxes of skincare products, and yeah, we have the 3% collagen plus peptide face serum, which is going to be my first time trying it, by the way, and the collagen tablets that I told you about, also my first time. The 1% salicylic acid face cleanser, face wash, yeah, is gel based, and yeah, I'm going to try this out. It's going to be my first time. I've not tried it, but I know that salicylic acid as an active ingredient is actually good if you have an acne prone skin. It will help reduce the amount of sebum that your face secretes. This is good. It helps to unclog your pores. So I just know that salicylic acid is good for acne prone skin, but I've not tried a face wash having salicylic acid. So this is going to be my first time trying it out, and it's from the Thedermaco, yeah. So this is also going to be my first time 3% vitamin E face moisturizer. It's going to be my first time, In another video, I'm going to let you in on how I incorporate this product, and yeah, I share with you my thoughts. You get to know whether or not I like this product. But the only one that I've tried previously I've used is this vitamin C face serum. I love this, by the way. I've tried it and I love it. So yeah, if you would like to incorporate it in your morning skincare, I will give you a go ahead. You should try this out. Yeah, so that's going to be it for now. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will make another. There's going to be a part 2, by the way, where I get to unbox the remaining products. That is it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have you tried any products from Thedermaco? Let me know in the comment section, and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you haven't also watched my last video, then click on this suggestion right here. Also check this one out and let me know what you think.